It's over, Spider-Man. I got you cornered.
What the shit?
It's your move, pal. What are you gonna do?
I got something up my sleeve. What? Damn it!
You're all out of web fluid. Oh my god, this day cannot get any better. What are you doing there?
What you mean? We finna fight.
But we're already fighting.
Nah, I meant like,
For real.
what you mean?
I mean, you're catching these hands.
No.
I don't understand.
Scorpion.
I think you do.
No, I don't want this. I don't want to. Please.
Hey, just remember, you asked for this.
No. No.
I don't think you understand, Scorpion. The webs were for your sake, not mine. I normally use my webs to apprehend villains, but now we gotta go about that in a different way.
Spidey, I'm sorry. Spidey, I'm sorry.